Hello everyone, this is Vin Wells here with rockbottomlasers.com. What I'm featuring today is a 2003 Candela VBeam pulse dye laser. It's in excellent operating condition and good cosmetic condition. What's unique about this laser is it's been under a Candela service contract since it was purchased by the original owner in 2003. It's been impeccably maintained. It was last serviced February 11th, and we can get you those service reports upon request if you're wanting to look at those. The system head pulse count is 18,000. The lamp pulse count is also the same number, and the dye kit has 24,000 pulses on it. It has all of the different hand pieces with the various spot sizes. It comes with a 90-day warranty that includes parts, labor, and travel, and a lot of additional accessories. So thanks so much for considering this laser.